The boy has been able to see a kind of monster that others can't see since he was a child. And with the appearance of this kind of monster, various death events will occur nearby before long. For example, a sudden car accident. One day, the boy noticed that a man was followed by a group of monsters. Mike began to worry about the man because the more monsters appeared, the more deaths would occur. Driven by curiosity, Mike chose to follow the man, but the man just bought several buckets of ice cream and then came to a small house. Mike secretly followed him in and found that there were 3 different cigarette butts in the ashtray in the house, which meant that there were 2 other people in the room. At this time, a sound came from a room. But strangely, when walking in the corridor, Mike felt a piercing cold and the doorknob was still freezing. After opening the door, the items in the room were all frozen and there was a strange hole in the wall. Mike stretched out his hand to check, and the next second, the hole quickly expanded to spread throughout the room. Mike quickly escaped from the room and hid in the door gap to observe. Then countless monsters ran out of that room and all ran outside. Mike understood that with so many monsters appearing, at least half of the people in the town would die. Mike inferred that the man might be going to manufacture a massacre. He came to the room again, and the room had returned to normal. At this time, Mike noticed the photos hanging in the room, which were all victims who had been cruelly tortured to death by the man. Now it can be confirmed that the man